A playground exhibit.
Okay, that was Wycliffe trying to say that this is the air playground exhibit that we did at the Hamilton Museum. This is just a snippet of Wywy's POV that I put at the front so that you could see what it looked like. I think it was $5 if I remember. The kids had fun playing and running around and trying it, and then after this we went and saw the actual museum. And Wywy's POV is at the end of this video.
Good job. Arms up. 1,
Not
2, shoes. Socks and shoes.
Chicken nugget.
Socks and shoes. Sit. Can you keep still? Socks and shoes.
Shoes. Ready.
Socks.
Adorator time.
Sock.
Adorator time.
And shoes.
And shoes.
Wait, please.
All done.
Go look at the board.
See? Yes.
We're gonna go soon.
Thanks.
Did you look at the spinning balls? Say bye, balls.
Look at that ball.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.